Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Funmibi Olawore. If this is your first time of seeing me, hello. I make videos on here on YouTube sharing how to make different headpieces. I share occasional vlogs as well and all that jazz. If you've been interested in any of the things I just said, please do well to hit the subscribe button, join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hello friend, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have a bunch of stuff that I'm working on and I would like to also share with you. I might not necessarily show you everything I'm doing because some of the things that I'm working on are things that I've shared tutorials on the channel, but for the purpose of new things that I'm working on, I will be sharing them and the tutorials on how to make them in this particular video. So please be sure to watch the video to the end so you don't miss out of any of the things I'll be sharing. Also, I get a lot of questions from some of us asking where I buy items required for making certain things out here in Port Harcourt. If you don't know, I live here in Port Harcourt, so I'm currently on my way to the market. I'm not going to be carrying my camera. I'm going to be filming that portion of the video using my phone, so apologies if the quality of the video changes in between. I'm going to take my phone along with me, show you where I shop from and how you can reach some of these people. Okay, so if you've been interested in any of the things I just said, please make sure you continue to watch. I need to head out of the house now, so let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm inside my one here, and this is where I normally buy beads from. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I hope you can hear me. Her name is Charity. I'm going to leave a number in the comments in the description box, so feel free to call her if you need to buy beads or anything, and let her know that you're from me. This is where I typically buy beads from. I'm still going to go to another place where I normally buy stuff from. I'm going to show you guys, but this is where I buy beads from. Alright you guys, I hope you can hear me, but I'm currently in Mr. Chybyke's shop. He's also in mile 1. I'm also going to drop his number in the description box, so most of the people that I'm talking about, if you need to get anything from them, you can just like call the number and talk to them directly. I'm just here sharing my plugs with you guys because I get a lot of comments where people ask, oh, where did I get this from? This is for people that live in Port Harcourt. Okay, do you ship outside Port Harcourt? Also, they ship outside Port Harcourt, so just in case you're not in Port Harcourt and you need something, they can send to you. So yeah, that's that. I'm still going to Rumasi Market. I'll share with you guys where I buy stuff from in Rumasi as well, but yeah, that's that. Alright guys, so I'm back in the car and I'm heading home. I know I mentioned I was going to go to Rumasi, but coincidentally everything that I was looking for, I found it here in mile 1, so there's really no point for me going to, you know, Rumasi. But next time, whenever the next time I find myself in Rumasi, I'll make a video for you guys. But yeah, the shops that I was talking about, like I said, call the people that I dropped in the description bar. But if you are not interested in calling, the side of mile 1 that is facing this divisional headquarters of mile 1 Diobu police station, that's where you're coming to. Okay, so that's that about that. I hope you guys are happy with that. So I'm rushing back home to start working on some of the others that I have going on. And yeah guys, I hope you guys are well. When I get home as well, I'll try and do a haul for you to just show you everything that I bought from the market. I'm going to be using every single one of those things for different videos that I plan to put on the channel, so you don't have to worry. Let me stop talking now and head home. Okay, bye. All right guys, so before I start working, I just want to quickly show you what I bought. I got headbands. I got different sizes of headbands. Then I also got wire, copper wire, for a particular tutorial that I'm planning for September. Today is the 31st, by the way. I also got beads for one of the headpieces I'm planning to make. I also got a matching color of crystal beads. Then I got these ones. I don't know what it's called, but a golden one and this teardrop one type of crystal bead. Then I also got pipe beads. This is a different type of pipe bead. This one is chunkier than the regular one. What else did I buy? I got glue sticks for for my work basically, because I use glue a lot. Then I got a what's this thing called, a long nose plier for wire work beading and stuff like that. I'll share all the wire work tutorials that I have for you guys, you know, as they come. So this is why it's good to stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. I also got something else. What just dropped? Oh, my light be acting up. I also got ASOOKE. So I got this one in powder blue for one of my customers. Then I also got one in navy blue because the wedding that I said we are attending this weekend, she's also attending. You guys ignore this, my chappy looking nails. So I did gel polish and I've been trying to get it off my fingers. I don't want to have to go to the salon to get it off because I'm very busy. Like, it's ridiculous. So I was trying to get it off, but I got tired in between. I'll see if I can go back to it later today. But yeah, that's why my nail is looking crusty. So I need to drop this microphone and face my work. There's a particular headband that I'm making. Is beaded. It's a simple beaded headband, but I think I'm just going to film for anybody that is interested because I overthink my content sometimes. I'm like, oh, nobody wants to see, but I feel like there's always someone that will learn something from whatever it is that I'm doing. So I would film it and post on the channel. If it's up already, I'm going to link it on the screen. I really don't know how I have like a lot of videos for you guys, so I don't know how it's going to go out. But if the video is live on the channel, I'm going to leave it on the screen for you. Just look up here and click on whatever it is that I posted there. But come back and watch this video too, because this video too is interesting. Okay. All right, talk to you guys later. Hi you guys, so I'm currently almost done working on the last beaded headband that I'm making for the person that placed an order. So this is how far I've gone. Let me show y'all. My camera can embarrass somebody, but yeah, this is it. I'm going to see if I can insert a proper footage of what it looks like, but it's literally remaining just this little piece here. Today has drained me. Do you guys know that TikTok sound, I don't know, that TikTok sound, yeah, that one. Today drained me. That's literally me right now, but the day is not even over yet. It's like 4:16 p.m. right now, so I want to quickly tidy up this headband that I'm working on. I still have 2 that I'm supposed to make for 2 of my friends that are attending the same wedding that we are preparing for. Then tomorrow, the one I'm going to try and make the one that I plan to wear for the wedding. And then one of my Port Harcourt aunties as well wants to make headband as well. So yeah, this will probably be the last time I'm going to talk to you guys today. I might show bits and pieces of what is going on behind the scene. But yeah, tutorial on this headband is going to go up on the channel because I feel like someone might be curious about how I made this, right? So I'm just going to post it anyway. It's going to be a very short video because I didn't do too much because I have a couple of beaded headband tutorials on the channel. Let me stop talking to you guys now. I'll be back to talk to you at some point in this particular video. Ciao.
Alright you guys, so for this portion of the video, I didn't know that the battery of my microphone had finished or run down, so I kept talking and talking and there was no audio. So in this point I was just about to package the headbands that I was supposed to give to other people, and I also shared what the packaging process is. I showed you guys the nylon that I normally use and how I pack and all of that, and I kept just talking and talking. I can't remember what I was saying half the time, and I was about to also start preparing for the occasion that we had the following day. I had to go get my hair into cornrows and all that stuff. So yeah, that's just that about this portion of the video. Alright guys, so this is the following day and this was me fully dressed for the wedding party that we had to attend. I'm just going to end this video here because like I said, I filmed some other clips but I noticed that there was no audio. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said earlier on, if you want to reach out to any of the people that I buy stuff from, feel free to reach them. I'm going to drop their contact details in the description bar of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and I can't wait to see you in another video. Bye.